gonna prank call this one girl. Again, I do not know who she is. You guys probably don't understand that again part, but we do.
Is this that one girl?
Nobody likes us, dude. Everybody keeps bringing us.
Hold on, we're gonna try somebody else.
Okay, 1 second. 1 freaking second. Okay, this is taking a little bit, but...
Jacob. I mean...
Okay.
No.
Oh, the one that asked you questions.
No, that's a different thing.
Too many people.
Is this that one boy?
Is this cell phone?
No.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, who's this?
What are you doing?
Eating?
Oh, what you eating?
What?
What you eating?
Burger King?
You're eating Burger King? I had Chinese. What are you doing? Aww. People suck. I'm getting quite sad over here.
Okay.
Bye. We'll be
Chillin' at the Holiday Inn. Me and my peeps, won't you bring 4 of your friends?